today we picked a few things. We got a lot of beans, and then a sugar snap pea. And then we got 3 cucumbers. There's 2 in my hand. And then this is the biggest one I've ever seen that we picked from the fridge. And so these are 3 little cucamelons. And so what I'm going to do is I tried one before and they were so delicious. And these came from this whole garden. Would you like to show everyone this whole garden?
We'll show everybody the garden in a little while.
Okay. But this is a massive garbage. Garden. But this garden is probably about the biggest garden out of all these gardens we have. We have probably about 4 gardens. 3. What? The greenhouse and the other garden, then this garden, then that other garden.
Mm-hmm.
But the greenhouse counts, doesn't it?
Not really, because we don't really have any plants in it except for one lonely tomato plant.
Oh, what? I thought the other plants we planted in there. Well, we did have them in there until they all died.
Yeah.
But these are so good.
They are.
Even though I'm going to share them, I might just eat them right now.
No, you're not going to eat them right now. Put them.
That's so good there. I could plant a ton of trees, and then I could eat these.
Remember, those are a vine, not a tree.
Yeah, I could plant a ton of these.
Well, we do. We've got about 6 plants of them.
Dang it! If they were all ready right now, I would eat all of them.
I know you would.
I'm just begging to eat one right now.
Not yet. We'll have some in a minute. We gotta let Nene try one.
Oh yes. Can I go inside and try one?
Yes. Put them back in the bucket, and then we'll go take them to her.
Okay, let's go.
And then you can eat it. Is it good?
Yeah.
What's it taste like?
Oh, now I get the spice.
Is it spicy? Is it spicy, Liam? Yes.
These 2?
Yes, only pick one though. Leave the other one for the pollinators.
You can eat the inside if you want. Oh no.
Leave that one for the pollinators. Oh well, too late.
I'm only eating the outside.
Yeah, you don't have to eat the whole thing. You just eat the petals if you want.
And the stem?
Mhm. Petals would probably taste better than the stem, though.
I just ate that. No. I just put a hole in that. I just put a hole in that.
What's it taste like?
Nothing. Why did you eat the inside then? Cucumbers and